day, guys. Top of the day, highest vibrations. No mic or bass, no. But it's your girl Tears, no E's, only threes for alignment. And yes, if you can know this, maybe you're feeling it. We're moving back into this place of bare minimal, this place of the foundation. And I want to point out that not only in this current timeline that I'm in and in alignment with, not only is Mercury in retrograde, but we just experienced a lunar eclipse. Now, a lunar eclipse is so beautiful. It deals with our intuitive side, our feminine energy, the intangible. And the fact that it's an eclipse, that means the moon was covered, meaning our emotions, everything else that we could try to actively, consciously cover up, there's no getting around it during this type of energy. This is about you just fully merging into the emotions you are feeling and allowing that to take the shift. It's eclipse season, right? We about to feel it on the solar side as well. But whenever eclipse is taking place, this is the time that a whole change can happen. Like if there's ever an opportunity for a drastic change, like dang, I didn't see that coming, that is what's happening during the eclipse season. So the lunar eclipse is like our mind, our mental, all these other feelings out of our non-physical side, but internally could be shifted, where we are at the same time feeling clarity in things that we may not have had clarity at first. Now, I do want to point out, you may feel guided to release things, people, connections that no longer positively serve, because it is preparing you for a new timeline. It's preparing you for your best metamorphosis, okay? I'm dropping off an order now to ship to a customer. I'm so excited for them. Shout out to the lovely people at the post office, always serving others. This lunar eclipse is about you finally becoming the highest version of yourself that you always wanted to be. It's about you finally making the leaps of faith and moving in the direction of where your heart always belonged. This is not about feeling trapped anymore. It's about you finally stepping out into the divine bag. This is about you finally making a decision of which way your feet about to be moving when it comes to these goals. Now, if you got 20 goals, 20 different dreams at one time, then you need to narrow down which one is most important and go with that one first. Prioritize which one's going to satisfy you short term and longevity. Of course, we're going to do the rest later, but pick the first one first. And that's how the universe can manifest it faster. So I'm shipping my customer the Bold Creator. Did you guys get yours? And if you're second guessing that person that you cut off and you're like, what am I going to do now for that project? Don't even worry about it, because the right people are going to attract to you once you let go of that energetic baggage. And for your journey, just remember this: whatever leaves, get replaced with something better. I'm not the weatherman, I'm the whole forecast of the weather.